So for those of you who have been following along with this journey, know that we're currently building the cockpit, however need a bit of a display port here. So went ahead and started looking at the Nasapunk screens and interface assets. I mean, there's some really good ones in here. Now these have all been baked out. So if I, for instance, grab this one, let's go Control V, paste it in there. There we go. We've got our little panel here. Right click origin, set origin to geometry. And then I'm just going to quickly bring it down into this place. Let's get rid of this panel here from one of my Kitbashing sets. Be gone! This one here, G, hold Ctrl, let it snap. Let's just put that into a nice position. Let's just adjust. Come on. Let's get it in there. There we go. Let's go into rendered view, and it's upside down. Rotate it 180. Put it back into position. Wham bam. Thank you, man. That slots in quite nicely. Let's find one that kind of sits along the bottom here. I like your face. Control V. Let's move it over into position and have it like so, into rendered mode. And once again, upside down. Good job, Marco. You can see very quickly how we can just start throwing in these assets and create a really nice sci-fi cockpit. So yeah, go check it out. Link in the description.